welcome to TopAbandonedPlaces. Today we're at an abandoned ceramics works. Right out in the sticks, folks. We're pro Urbex, Dan and Brian. See you all in the video. We're in, folks, we're in. Oh, we're in. Look at this.
Fucking hell, that's an old newspaper. Patrick Vieira.
Is it? Just want to be careful where the bots are now, man. Don't want to set one off.
Look at this now. How old that is.
Let's have a look. Curious. 1998.
That's it.
I know it's everywhere, isn't it? Don't do a Nazi salute, please. Toilets. Yeah, it's all been bricked out, all this, isn't it? Well, the toilets ain't there. Spider, is it? Spinning out. It's in there.
Queensman.
Huh.
Oh, yeah. Leeds. Okay.
All 1998 then.
That's what I'm talking about. There's another bot there.
Yeah, we can't go near that one either.
Can't go near where?
The bots. I wonder if we could just cut through the buildings and not actually go out there. Because they have to be connected, don't they? The buildings. You think, wouldn't you? Hang on. Let's have a look. Let's see what's down this way. No, it doesn't lead anywhere. Empty space. I wonder if it's not that way. That's toilets anyway. Ladies.
Yeah, just toilets.
Yeah, I've had a look in there. Some of them are still intact, the toilets, but I wonder if we could just go upstairs and then there's access from there. Yeah, it's a bit risky with the bots, but you know. Ah, you can access, I think you might be able to access it from this way because that leads over there, look. Fuck me. Lens is playing up again.
Trying to get as many pictures as I can, so at least
I am.
we've got some.
Yeah. There we go, it's clicked now. Hang on. Oh, fuck. I thought it clicked on. There we go. There we go. I'm going to have to take the bloody battery out. Should be alright. Seems they're doing a bit of work over there. There's a bot over there, look, as well. Look at this. Corridor, yeah. I wonder whether you can access the workshops from here. Look at this. Hang on, Ranch.
Oh, it's nice to be back in the game.
You're back in the game.
Fucking pirates in the room.
Oh yeah, someone's just chucked it up there. Oh man.
So, bit of information. This place was part of a company which had 2 separate sites. There's also one in Stannington, which is probably about 6 miles away from here, where we are. And that is now homes. They got knocked down a good long time ago. But we did it years ago. So.
There we go. Look at this. Oh, draped over there, no? First aid. Someone's drawn a cock on the first aid.
That's what they do.
Yeah. Oh. What?
Duck down.
Is there a bot right out there, is it? What's out there?
It's all pointing down.
No, cameras?
Yeah, it's all pointing down.
Yeah. Look at this. There's access all through from there. Look at this. Oh, that leads right up by the bot, don't go out there.
Yeah, I won't go in there.
Don't go near the doors there. There's a bot over there. Bots. The bot's over there, man.
Yeah, I won't want
I wonder whether it'll pick us up inside the building.
Could be high tech. I imagine people been shooting it.
Yeah.
I reckon we and bots.
Where is it?
They move really slowly.
This. Extract the fans, look.
Oh no, not point at buildings, point at the yard. I don't think we can get in them bits. I'm just thinking about with the flash as well.
Yeah, I wouldn't test the flash too much. Let's just sneak around this way because it didn't seem to detect us over here anyway. Look at that, there's an old photo of this, of the place. Look. Hmm. Careful walking over that side, Ranch. I'm going to turn this off because I know it's shut. I wonder if we can get in the warehouse from here. From the factory bit. I wonder if we can get the factory bit from here.
That window's open.
Yeah, but
Just get in there.
there's a bottom. I think we can walk to it from the other side of the building.
If we
anyway.
go that way, then
Yeah. No, I mean if we walk through the building. I wonder, can you get to the warehouse this way, the factory bit this way?
No, like it.
No. And you can't walk out there. I wonder if there's any way we can get out without. Now there's bots all
The
the
bots are
exits.
pointing this way from over there. Bots there.
Yeah. Can you?
I think even if we just get these main buildings done, that's really good.
I want to test it.
I want to test it more. I don't know what's going to happen.
Get out fast.
I know.
We'll walk back up, so we're gonna.
No.
I think we're gonna pick it back up, folks. See what happens.
At least get something.
We got all of it.
There's bots surrounding the place, folks. So catch you in a sec. Have a wander down there, see what's down there. Down there, nothing. Just a fire extinguisher down there, look. What's that? What's that in there? Oh no, nothing. There's a sort of desk in there and table. Looks like a bit of a laboratory sort of look. Looks a bit like some sort of laboratory. To me it does. Look at that.
Oh, there's a fucking bot down there as well.
Yeah, they're everywhere, aren't they? That's the thing, they don't want you getting to the other parts of this. I don't know, where's he gone? He's not tested it, is he? I think we can get into that bit from walking down that side, the other way, so through there to that building. Yeah, where we came in, yeah, where we came in.
There's a bot down in that corner.
Yeah, I've seen it.
I think we can walk through here though, can't we?
Yeah.
This bit.
Shit. I didn't even know
See? Yeah, it looks like you could. Look at these offices, yeah.
that. Hi, Dan.
Offices here, look.
Office door.
Right, offices, man. Grimy. I can feel that heat coming through, man.
Yeah.
The ball sack's drenched.
I don't like them coming.
Yeah.
Kitchen.
Kitchen sink. Kitchen sink.
Not what I mean.
Not allowed.
Not allowed.
Not allowed.
Kitchen.
Sink.
Yeah, they took everything and the kitchen sink.
Kitchen sink. I'm taking photos of the passion.
They took everything and the kitchen sink. They took the kitchen sink.
How dare they?
Nigel.
Be careful, Dan.
There's the bot right out there.
Yeah, right in that corner.
It's risky, isn't it? The windows are bad on this side. I would say we could walk round, but there's a bot the other side down there as well.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Oh, what?
Oh, it's pointed down there as well.
Is it pointed this way?
No, it's pointed in the corner.
Right.
Over there.
Right. Oh, toilet. Disabled toilet. Sure.
Toilet for Dan now.
What?
The toilet's for Dan.
What?
That bot.
Right, in its line of vision.
I know. I thought.
I don't think it can see us in here.
Oh, it can.
Oh, it is right in line of vision as well.
Jeez. Urinals.
It didn't work. It's right that way.
I'm having a piss, boys.
Oh, okay. Yeah, actually, this as well.
We'll be in the stairs bit.
Alright. Pick it back up for the bot's got someone on the other end. It's giving our descriptions away and it says police response immediate. So
we got a little bit done.
yeah, got a little bit done. I think we're gonna
pasta.
so yeah, thanks everybody for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to slap our like button, also hit subscribe, join the Tap Army today. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye for now.